So students, our first experiment is to check the ICs, to check the gates of the IC. First of all, we will be taking 7404. It's a NOT gate IC. It has got single input, single output. One input, one output gate, that is your NOT gate. As you can see on the IC, there are two rows are there having some numbers, some alphabets, giving you a lot of information regarding the IC. You can see the second row. Here it's written SN74HC04N. So the IC number is 7404. All of you need to study on Google what does SN means, what does HC means, what is the abbreviation for N, and what is written on the first line. In the first row, you will be having some numbers, some alphabets. They give a lot of information regarding the IC. We are telling you, we are explaining you to read the number only. Other things you need to study yourself. So the IC number is 7404. We will keep the power supply off from this side. First of all, we will make the connections on terminal strips as well as on bus strips. We have placed the IC over here between two terminal strips because there is a gap between these two sections. So we have placed the IC over here having no relation with each other pins. So this was our +5 we have given on pin number 14. This is our ground, pin number 7, input pin number 1, output pin number 2. 7404 has 6 NOT gates, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. All are facing towards right side. Means this is input, this is output. Then input, then output. Means pin number 1 input, pin number 2 output. 3 input, 4 output. 5 input, 6 output. And 7 is for your ground. So here you can see we were having 8 inputs. You can give input from any pin. Right now I am giving from D7. I can give from D6 also, 5 also, 4 also. From anywhere. Right now I am giving from D7. This is going on pin number 1. As the terminal strip is shorted downwards, so you can insert anywhere. In this line, in this column. And this is pin number 2 for output. I have inserted here. I can insert it here also. I will look at the respective LED of that number. I can give on 0 also. Let it be coming from pin 2. You can insert anywhere. Now we will give supply. Now look here carefully. The downward was 0. It means I am giving 0 as input and it has been inverted, and at output we will receive 1. So the 1 is represented by red color. It means in this gate, representation of logic 1 is represented by red color. If I give input 1, now I have given 1 as my input. Output will get inverted and I will receive 0 at the output. So the 0 is represented by this color. So the first gate is working fine. If I want to change, I will put the supply off. I will change the inputs. I will give it at pin number 3 as input and pin number 4 as output. Now I will put the supply on. 1 as input, so I will get 0 as output. 0 as input, I am giving 0 as input, so I will receive 1 as output. So the gate number 2 is working fine. Now I will put the supply off. I will change inputs and outputs. Input at pin number 5, output at pin number 6, input at pin number 5, output at pin number 6. Put the supply on. 0 as input, 1 as output. 1 as an input. Now I have made the input as 1. I am switching the knob between 0 and 1. Now it has been switched to 1. Input is 1, so output should be 0. 0 is represented by this color. So gate number 3 is working fine. Like this you can check other 3 gates also. This is 6 gate. Total number of gates in this IC are 6. That's why this is called Higgs NOT gate IC, as it contains 6 NOT gates.